Hi, this is Karen from Food Jazz, presenting food with a little jazz. Today I'm making my vegetable beef soup. This recipe is comfort in a bowl, so let me show you how to make it. I am using 1 pound of ground beef, but you can use stew meat if you'd prefer. To that I'm adding 1 small chopped onion, and you just want to break this meat up and fry it. Next, add in some diced celery, along with some sliced carrots. Cook this together until the beef is no longer pink. During the last couple of minutes, stir in 2 to 3 cloves of minced garlic. Mix everything together and continue to cook until the meat is brown. Transfer the ingredients to a large soup pot. Next, add in some cubed potatoes. I like mine cut into large chunks, but you can cut yours smaller if you prefer. 1 small can of green peas, 1 small can of corn, and 1 small can of green beans. You can use the frozen variety if you prefer. 1 large can of tomatoes along with the juice. 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, 4 cups of beef broth or beef stock, and for the seasoning I'm using salt, pepper, and parsley flakes. Stir everything together. Heat the mixture up on medium-high heat until it comes to a boil. Turn the burner down to medium-low and add a lid, allowing for some of the steam to escape. Allow the soup to simmer for about an hour and a half, but take the lid off and stir it several times throughout the process. After I remove the lid, I allow the soup to cook down about another 30 minutes so that it thickens up. And now it's ready to serve. You're going to want a big bowl for this soup. And it's delicious with cornbread, corn muffins, or crackers. I think you're going to enjoy this recipe as much as I do. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe and hit that bell for more great recipes like this one. Thank you so much for watching.